Vanguard doesn't have billionaire owners or Wall Street shareholders, yet it manages more than $11 trillion. That's more money than the annual economies of Germany and Japan combined. And here's the part almost nobody knows. Vanguard is owned by its funds, which are owned by the people investing in them. More than 50 million investors. Your 401k, your retirement money. Sounds wholesome, right? Except that setup accidentally built one of the most powerful financial machines in history. In 1975, Jack Bogle got fed up with Wall Street's high fees and mediocre returns, so he built the index fund. Buy the whole market for almost nothing. They called it Bogle's Folly. Turns out, betting on everything was the smartest bet anyone ever made. Today, Vanguard's funds are major shareholders across nearly the entire S&P 500. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, ExxonMobil, and Vanguard isn't alone. Vanguard and BlackRock rank among the biggest shareholders in much of corporate America. And here's the weird part. Vanguard is also BlackRock's largest shareholder. Two supposed competitors owning pieces of each other. Here's where it gets uncomfortable. Vanguard funds hold major stakes in Delta, American, and United all at once. Some economists argue that kind of shared ownership can soften competition because the biggest investor benefits from the industry as a whole. And before he died, Bogle himself warned that too much indexing could concentrate power in too few hands. The man who invented the system didn't fully trust what it became. 50 million ordinary investors collectively sitting behind one of the most powerful ownership structures on Earth. Nobody voted for that, it just happened. So, is owning a tiny piece of everything the smartest way to invest? Or does it create a concentration of power we should be worried about?